It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we're gonna go to a mountain village called Mateo, passing over some Spanish named villages on the way. Alright, we're doing it. What's up? We're going this way. Yeah.
Viktigaste person.
So you know when you go out on these excursions, go up the mountains and you decide to buy 2 beds? Yeah, with cotton, blankets and everything. I know, it just happens. You go on an excursion and you just buy beds. So we just bought beds. Weird, huh?
Aeropuerto de Gran Canaria. Det är väldigt populärt här av Kanarierna. I Arroca-staden.
We're in the marketplace in San Mateo and we just bought some papaya and some local bananas and now we're buying some nuts. Some nuts. And it's kind of chilly up here. We're on like 900 meter elevation up, which is 54 miles high, almost. Hola, tengo una chipsticks con picante crudo. Ahora testo. Hot. Yeah, we have made it up the mountain and around the mountain to this little farm called La Molina and passing a crater on the left, but we were on the right. And I'm a little bit dizzy right now because it's a lot of up and down and I'm from a very flat landscape, so. Antes hace mucho frío, pero ahora hace mucho calor. El sol es aquí, me soy happy.